That's about as close as one of them's gonna let me get. John James Audubon published his first version of Birds of America, and that included the American robin, which we are talking about today. That book is housed at the North Carolina Museum of Art here nearby. I am in Wake County, North Carolina, and there is an American robin right there. Robins have always been romanticized in American storytelling and art, but these are like zombie birds to me. A lot of robins in this cemetery. European settlers named them robins because they looked and behaved so much like European robins, but the interesting thing is they're not even the same species the way they are documented. However, people have been noticing the same kind of weird behavior in European robins as well, where they are populating suburban areas like this, making a lot of noise. Is in Native American lore, American robins were not called that. They gave them names like the bringers of spring and spirit messengers. I find it interesting that I don't really see any other birds besides robins in this cemetery. And going back to Europe, in Celtic history, they were known as messengers from the dead, bringing messages from beyond. So when I saw that one up close in my window, it just looked beaten, tired. So I'm walking west away from the cemetery right now, and this is the big transformer. Maybe it has something to do with the electromagnetic fields. Let's unlock this mystery.